Good afternoon, Cleveland, or should I say Facebook. Today I am out at the Somerset. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1860 square feet. This home will be available around February or March. Let's go inside. What's great about this floor plan is it's fully tape and texture. And everything that you see in this home comes with it. So this is a package home. What that includes: the tray ceilings, ceiling fans and light fixtures, the upgraded appliances, and the home coming available is going to have the same colors in the home. The microwave is built in. So it has a cabinet space. You have the farm sink here, the detached, the black stainless steel. What's great about this house is really the open space. When you walk in, it just feels open, eerie. It is a lot of space for the money, in other words. I'll just kind of go around so you can see all the cabinets and everything. Another great thing about these cabinets is that you have the 2 shelves, so you can put your crock pot, all the big stuff that you have in your kitchen, you can store away. The pendant lights come along with it. And again, this is a fully tape and texture home, 8.5 flat ceilings. The secondary bedrooms are a great size with a good size closet space. So when people come in and they say, I want good size secondaries and closet space, this is the house I take them to. If you have any questions, please let me know. Be more than happy to do a Q&A, question and answer. And then you have a linen closet at the end of the hallway. Great for the kids. You can put the blankets, sheets, towels in there for them. And then this is the 3rd bedroom. So really good sized bedrooms. Dual pane windows, the blinds do come along with it. LED lighting, vents in the ceiling. Good elbow room here in the secondary bathroom. You have the drawers. And I'll take you around to the master. Really a good size master in here. So if you need an office area at home as well, you can really put your office in here. So, or if you have bulky furniture, perfect for that. This is the closet area. Turn on the light. You even have a mirror over here. And then this is going to be the master bath. You have the dual sinks, framed out mirrors, and then you can have the walk-in shower with the rain head. And this is a tile shower. And then the toilet's going to be separate in its own room. And again, plenty of elbow room in here. This house really hits all the marks. And again, if you've been searching and you can't find anything until 6 or 7 or 8 months out, we have a house for you. It's going to be coming available around February, March. In order to lock in the home, it will be a $1,000 deposit. That will submit your application to the bank. We do land home packages. We do home only. We take trade-ins. We do FHA, USDA, VA. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Do a little bit of everything. And I'll take my time and kind of go across the living room area. Again, give us a call if you'd like to come out and view this house. It is on a first come, first served basis. Once it's gone, it's gone. Then you're going to have to build. Give us a call at 281-592-8600. If you'd like to look at the home a little bit more and take a virtual tour, you can go online to our website at www.cleveland.palmharbor.com. We look forward to hearing from y'all. Thanks, you guys. Bye.